Hello guys, it's me, your Ate Ace, ay nagbabalik naman sa panibagong video na kung saan nandito na nga tayo sa Grow a Garden. As you can see, nag-improve na po yung aking garden, and as you can see guys, I have a bigger coconut there, that one. So, as you can see, wala na po tayong beanstalk dito. Dinilit ko po yung 4. Oo, grabe. Ang lupit, guys. Na-delete ko yung 4, guys. Para lang sa update. Akala ko kasi, dapat linis-linisin ng masyado yung So, I regret deleting it. But, meron pa naman akong isang beanstalk sa, sa inventory. So, aking itatanim yun sa susunod. Then, as you can see, guys, we have 149 billion pa rin shekels. And I have a mooncat there, as you can see. Saka ang nakakatuwa lang sa update ngayon guys, ay magkakaroon ka ng panibagong pet, panibagong stock, panibagong sprinkler method. I don't think so if it is sprinkler method. So nakikita nyo naman, meron tayong moon melon dito, pero it is not fully grown kasi nakikita nyo dyan guys, it's not complete. Pumasok na kasi ako dito sa game ng wala pang ilang oras kasi nag-method ako guys offline. So naka-off cam ako niyan. So as you can see, meron tayong dyan, mooncat na nakakapagpa-help sa atin. So as you can see guys, we are here in gear shop. So I am looking for the kasi stock, but maybe later on. So I will show you guys where is the bee craft. So there it is sa side na yan, sa left, sa right side. Yes, sa right side ng screen. And ito po yun guys. So medyo natapos ko na yung ibang nilagay dito. So kailangan yung maglagay dito rin banda para makapag-craft kayo. So pupunta din agad kayo dyan sa beer para mag-craft kayo. So you'll receive tawag niyan, anti-bee egg first, I think. So second is nakikita niyo dyan sa screen ko. So ang next pang kagandahan nito guys ay makakakuha kayo ng lumira seed pagka nakuha na inyo yung ibang ibibigay na pollinated fruits dito sa bee craft. So kung makikita nyo guys, meron tayong dito talaga nyo dapat ilagay lahat. So as you can see, meron po tayong hanapin dito, tomato, yes. And maybe we will plant it in my garden kasi kailangan natin mag-plant guys sa garden. So as you can see, meron din tayong dito, as I think maybe next time muna. Then as you can see guys, meron na po tayong mga iba't ibang uri ng so hindi ko po na showcase kanina. So ayan, mag-o-open po tayo ng egg dito banda. So as hopefully guys, certain tayo sa pag-hatch ng egg dito. At anong makukuha natin? Isa, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ayun, B, normal B. And here it is guys, anong makukuha natin dito? Isa pa. Ayun, normal B na naman yung nakuha natin guys. And another one egg is, what is this? So this one is okay. Meron tayong monkey. Ayun, silver monkey guys. Nakaka-help din yan pag nagsisell kayo ng fruits. Then as you can see guys, hindi pa rin siya nag-work yung dito. Medyo mabagal-bagal siya kasi naman nag-rejoin tayo ng agad-agad. So nag-method ako, and that is, yan yung kinalabasan. Hindi pa siya fully grown guys. So as you can see, meron tayong mushroom dito. Naka-favorite yan lahat para hindi ma-accidentally collected kasi mas nakakainis talaga pag na-accidentally collected mo yun guys kasi hindi mo na hindi na mapapagkakitaan kasi tawag niyan, hindi pa siya naka-fully pollinated. Here it is guys, nag-rejoin ulit tayo sa game na to. So as you can see, yes guys, tignan nyo, as you can see guys, paldo! May malagay tayong moon melon. Ay, wait lang. favorite natin siya, guys. Wait. Ba't hindi to ma-favorite? Itong, ay, sa iba pala to. Hindi pala sa akin to, oh. Grabe naman, scam naman to, ah. Kala ko sa akin, guys. Hotdog na to. Yun lang. Kala ko sa akin yung malaking melon na to. Sa gabal pa naman, oh. Laki-laki, grabe. Kala ko sa akin yung sobrang paldo pa naman sana kung sa akin to, guys. Grabe talaga, guys. Kanino ba to? I think yung sa friends ko to dito sa Grow a Garden. Yes. As you can see, sobrang laki ng moon melon niya na parang isang tulay na tawag niyan, pwede na tayong gagawan natin to ng tulay. Syempre, mas maganda yan. Nagiging tulay natin sa kabilang kampo. Pwede rin yan kung may rakon ka. Pwede, grabe. Yeah, guys, magre-rejoin muna ako dito sa game maya-maya. So, we will be checking my moon melon, and if it is truly really works na medyo malaki-laki na yung melon natin dito sa game, hopefully medyo ganito din kalaki sa sa player na to. Sobrang laki ng moon melon na parang tulay na talaga tignan, guys, na parang talaga aakyatin mo talaga, guys. So, let's check our sunflower, guys. So, there it is. Wala pa. Hindi ba siya fully mutated kasi mas gusto ko yung may celestial, heavenly. You see, guys, kasi yung word ng ngayon, sunflower is paldo na paldo. Pero isa lang yung sunflower ko. And hopefully, makakuha pa ng madaming sunflower and the next game. And guys, as you can see, I am apologizing for the daily update of Minecraft videos, but I am truly working for that. But now I will be prioritizing the Grow a Garden. As you can see in I post in my community tab, there is more than choose the all of the above, guys. So for me, I will choose Grow a Garden from now on. So I will be uploading next the Minecraft. So now, guys, we will leave the server and I will be back later. Here it is, guys. Sobrang laki ng ating moon melon. As you can see, hindi siya ganong kalaki sa nakita natin, but okay lang yan. Pero okay lang yan, guys, kasi medyo okay naman din yung natin dito. Medyo paldo na din tong presyo na to. So as you can see, guys, madami tayong ipe-favorite dito para hindi natin accidentally collected ito lahat ng to. So nakikita nyo naman yung aking mooncat dyan. Pina-prioritize niya talaga yung pagtulong, guys. Nagpapalaki siya ng fruits. Ganon. Saka, mayroon ding isa na, kailangan mo na maglagay ng eco frog kung gusto mo sabayan ng medyo malaki-laki. Pero hindi ako nag-use ng eco frog from now on. I use mooncat. So, as you can see, guys, nag-work pa yung ating sprinkler method dyan at hindi pa siya umaalis, medyo nagbabag pa siya. So as you can see, nagwo-work pa rin yung method na to. Here it is, guys, maglalagay naman tayo ng sprinkled method. As you can see, magli-leave na naman ako sa server and I will be back again. So we will see it later again, guys. Sobrang paldo na naman to ulit. I am here again, guys, and I will be picking an seed and nectarine. I am in seed pack. So there it is. I got a fox glove. So we will be opening more seed pa rin, guys. So as you can see, we will be back later on to check our moon melon. So as you can see, we are unlucky in getting the seed. So I hopefully we can get an sunflower. There is no sunflower. Okay, rose, and super unlucky again. Grabe, guys, sabi ng isang player dito, you want candy blossom? Tapos sabi ng isa, yes, I want. Sabi niya, I want to. Grabe naman yung pang-trip na yan. Grabe, guys. So as you can see, guys, there it is. Meron tayong turtle. binigay ito sa akin ng friend ko dito sa sa game na to. So I will keep it daw. So as you can see, meron tayong ayan, medyo lumaki na yung ating moon melon. So paldo na natin guys. So tignan nyo naman, super laki na naman yan guys. So as you can see, meron po tayo dito sa labas. And nagtitingin lang po ako ng So we using our data. So there it is. Nandito po meron na naman tayong bagong friend. Hopefully guys, I am respecting a part of the LGBTQ because I am a part of it too. So here it is, accept mo ko mamaya, sabi niya. Yes, I will be accepting you, bro. Yes, because you are a legit friends. Here it is guys, as you can see, binibigyan po tayo niya ng Shockmon Melon. Tingnan nyo naman, naka-frozen pa yan guys. As you can see, medyo paldo na paldo yan sa mga new player and mga newbies dito sa Grow a Garden. As you can see, sabi ko sa kanya is, this is too much bro, you have given me so much. So, I don't know, hindi po siya nagsasalita kasi masyado dito sa game, but it's okay. It's okay for him to give me like this. So, I will say thanks. So, for the appreciation that you gave me. So, tags po siya guys. So, we will try again. So, to say thanks. Thank you. Ayun guys. Ayun, nag-thank you tayo. Pero tags pa rin guys. Hopefully, mahalata niya man na sabi niya he tags. Oo nga, tags. Grabe. So, sabi ko thanks. So, that is, hindi na po siya tags guys. Saka yung Roblox kasi ngayon, mas nagpo-focus ata sila sa bot guys. It's not about the player. So, sad to see. Baka maban tayo dito. But hopefully not. Sabi niya, you're welcome. Thank you. Are you girl or boy? Sasabihin ko sa kanya. Siyempre, alam na natin na boy siya guys. So, he already said it na she is a member of kidding. Hindi pa niya sinasabi. So, while explaining this, a voice over. Okay, he's a part of LGBT, same, yeah, from which female or, that's, tawag niyan, confidentially, so we will skip this, guys. So, here we are again, guys. A new player will be giving us up new, fruits. As you can see, he will be giving me a candy blossom. And I am still lagging. Look at that guys, we have a candy blossom there. And as you can see, that is a smallest candy blossom. And hindi ko alam yung presyo niyan guys, kung paldo ba to o hindi. But we will be checking it that and the tawag niyan. Ito yung girl na nagsabi na yes, candy blossom, I want that. Just kidding. Tingnan nyo guys, that is as you can see na-receive ko na yung gift. Ayun yung candy blossom. Nakikita nyo dyan. As you can see, there it is, guys. A candy blossom. Paldo na paldo tayo dito. So, as you can see, there it is a candy blossom, guys. Now, guys, we will be trying the pricing of this fruit candy blossom. How much is this? Worth, what? Anong worth? How much is the worth? Okay, 282 billion paldo. Grabe guys, sobrang laki. So, isi-sell natin to guys at titignan natin kung ilan ang madadagdag sa ating sa ating shekels. So, as you can see, there it is 282. O, diba? Tignan nyo, 489 billion agad yung ating shekels guys. Paldo na guys. Paldo so much. At isi-sell na naman natin ulit yung another guys. So I hopefully we will get a bigger price or maybe it is the same siguro guys because I think this is dupe na binigay sa akin. So how much is this worth? Tingnan natin, 282. Same pa rin yung presyo guys. So ayun, dupe talaga siya guys, pero paldo na paldo siya. So, I want to sell this. So, ayun. Makukuha natin ilan guys? Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung ating shekels guys. Umabot naman siya ng 800 to 828 billion. So, ayun. Eto, next natin guys. Next natin. Paabutin natin ng 1 trillion. So, look at me how to get at 1 trillion guys. So, let's talk to him. So tignan nyo guys. So, we will be getting this. How much is this worth? Is this the same again? Yes, it is dupe. Very dupe. So, same na same yung precious. Tignan nyo. 200 ito 74. Yun. So, as you can see, got anything to sell? Sabi niya, yes, I want to sell this. And now, guys, the moment of the truth. Look at the shekels. 1.1 trillion Paldu. So, here it is, guys. As you can see there is it in my cousin. And I am just kidding, guys. They are my cousin and the one is my siblings, guys. So, as you can see, guys, namimigay po ako ng mga fruits and for your information, guys, if this is the dope, guys. So as you can see, here it is. Bigay po to ng aking bedrooms. So, as you can see, guys, sobrang laki niyan, guys. So, kapag sinil natin to, 600 billion, guys. But it is a dupe lang. Dupe lang ng ano. So, tignan nyo, guys. Sobrang paldo dito, guys. Sobrang laki ng candy blossom, guys. Sobrang laki na. Tapos, ang dami pa natin candy blossom dyan na may 400 million worth pa yan. Million lang, pero okay yan. Paldo na paldo yan sa beginner. As you can see, guys, very thank you po sa mga nagbigay sa akin ito. Oh, guys, nag-restock yung bag egg. And, nakabili ako ng bag egg. So, as you can see, meron tayong bag egg dito. Ilalagay ko to sa aking garden. Para meron din akong makuhang panibagong pet. So, I hopefully guys, sortihin ako dito and maybe offline ko lang tong i-hatch. I mean, off cam ko pa lang i-hatch yung laman yan. As you can see, very unlucky tayo. I hope we will be getting lucky next time. So guys, here it is, guys. Meron naman tayong player na papabigay. So, ito yung aking isa pang pensan. So, bibigay ko sa kanya yung itong candy blossom. Pero, bago yan, sasabihin ko muna, bibili muna siya ng bag egg. Tapos, ilalagay niya sa kanyang sa garden. So, as you can see, guys, yung sinasalita natin dito is Cebuano. Nakilala sa Bisaya. So, ayun. Pwede na naman Ilonggo, Ilocano. So, as you can see, your native language, comment there. As Bicolano, ano yung gusto nyo. And, guys, look at an egg there. So, as you can see, may nakuha niya na yung ano. So, natanggap niya na yung binigay ko. I hope mas isi-sell niya yung kanyang blossom. So, the moment of the truth, guys, isi-sell niya. 3.6 billion pa yung shekels niya ngayon. So, we will be looking at the leaderboard, guys. So, as you can see, there it is. Here it is, guys. Makikita natin dito na 3.6 billion pa yung kanyang shekels, guys. So, antayin lang natin na kanyang ibebenta diyan sa, dito banda. So, hopefully, lalaki na yung kanyang shekels, guys. There it is. And, as you can see, there it is, guys. 371 billion paldo. Super paldo na siya, guys. So, here it is, guys. Another one. We will be giving it to the players here. To what I'm looking for in my inventory. That's the player. And you see that girl. We will be giving this to here, guys. So, as you can see, meron pa tayong matitira dyan na tatlong maliliit na blossom. So, as you can see, meron din yung malaki dito. But, I will be giving this. And, more to come. This one, look at that, guys. We will be giving it to him. Gift natin. So, ayun guys, nabigay na natin sa kanya. Gift has been sent to Exine. So, I hope she will be accepting it. So tignan nyo naman, merong chocolate rain ngayon na nangyayari sa game na to guys. As you can see, here it is. Here it is our Moon Blossom. As you can see, there is bigay ng J-Web School. So, as you can see guys, that is paldo na paldo. Hopefully guys, that is very good. So guys, dito na lang siguro nagtatapos ang video na to. Kung gusto niyo kung gusto niyo din makatanggap ng ganito, ay comment na kayo sa video ko. And don't forget to add me in your Roblox account. But hopefully, hindi po ito siya mag-disappear kasi dupe lang po to guys. So, at sana maabutan nyo pa to guys. And see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share to it to your friend, family. And comment your username. See you. Bye-bye.